Hello dear friends. Focus Go is a fast loading gallery with clean interface for your Android phone. You commonly use the built-in gallery, but this app provides a better alternative to view photos and videos. Smooth animations, fast loading, and a small size are awesomeness of this app. Let us see how to download, install and use Focus Go. Tap on Play Store icon. Type Focus Go. And press enter. Tap on install. In case you are having trouble in finding, go to the description of this video and click on its link. Let the app install. Allow Focus Go to access photos and videos on this device. Once installed, you can see a canvas displaying grids with your photos and videos. Thumbnails with rounded corners and clean videos and photos will certainly attract you. Tap on any thumbnail to experience the media. Tap on Settings icon for customizations. You can increase or decrease number of grids from here. Change the radius of the rounded corners from here. The media can be shown with HDR. You can see high quality thumbnails from this option. That's all friends. Thanks for watching this video.